So the strategy that I'm going to be doing first is FOIL backdoor, and the way that this works is you take your equation. I'm going to use 63 times 95, and the first thing that you do is you separate your place values. So this one's going to turn to 60 times plus 3 times 90 plus 5. And now you have to do outer to inner and inner to outer. So it's going to turn into 60 times 90 plus 60 times 5 plus 3 times 90, and then lastly 3 times 5. And now that you have that, you're going to find the sum for the product for each one. So 60 times 90, we know that it is 5,400. 60 times 5 is 300. 3 times 90 is 270, and 3 times 5 is 15. So now that you have each one of those, you add it together. So 5,400 plus 300, I like to separate them into pairs. So that is going to be 5,700 plus 270 plus 15 is 285. And now that you have that together, you just add the last two numbers together. So you can do 5,700 plus 285. 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, and then you have your final number, which is the 5. So the final answer is 5,985. So now that you have that, another way that you can do this is you take a box and you divide it into 4 different squares, and on the top you pick either number. So I'm going to do 63, the way that you separated here, and on this side it's going to be 95, and basically the same thing that you did here, you do here. So these numbers are going to be here. So 60 times 90 is 5,400. 90 times 3 is 270. 60 times 5 is 300. And 3 times 5 is 15. And now that you have all 4 numbers, you just add them together. And when you add them, you're going to get the exact same answer. So that's how you do FOIL backward.